Hey, VCubes7 here. I'm going to show you how to take apart and reassemble the Rubik's 4x4. It's almost like a 3x3 but has a ball core and many pieces. These 4 centers are like one center of a 3x3. But you can take them apart very easily. Okay, you see this big one with the screw? You want to put that in the lower left, in the front. And just start putting in center pieces. I'm going to get something. Okay, you'll need some tape. Again, you need this in with the 3 curves in the lower front left, and some tape. Put these together and put some tape on. First, you want to put it at the bottom, then put some tape, not so much, and put it on. There. Now can only move like this. Get some more pieces of tape and just set them down there. Put some more centers on. Then put some tape on that one. Now, you have it like 3x3. Oh no, this one escaped. I gotta put some more tape on. Now turn it like this. Get some more tape. And put some more center pieces on. Put some tape on that side. And turn it over. Put some more center pieces on. Put some tape on that side. Now turn it like this, so it's like a V-cube 7 with its pillowed shape here and there, so it can do this. Now you see this one with the hump, put it in the upper left in the front. Now put some more center pieces on. And squish them together as good as you can. Put some tape on that side. Turn it over. And make sure that you can glide it. If you can, you did good. Centerpiece, 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 centerpiece. Oh yeah, I lost it one. And this red one right here I'm taping broke. Now, take any two edge pieces, make sure they make a thingy, and slide them in to place. Slide them into place. Just like that. Do it for the other side. Turn it like this. Put a corner in and put some more edge pieces in. I will make part 2.